everyone, so I started receiving the ManiX monthly box from Mainology, which I don't know if you guys know, it used to be Bundle Monster, they changed their name. So I figure I would start showing my unboxing videos to show you what it is I get, and depending on what time you're watching the video, you could possibly go and sign up and get the box that I have too, because I'm gonna try to record it as I get the box. That way there's time for you to go and sign up and receive the same box if you're wanting it. So this is how it looks when you first open it. With your first box, which I didn't record my first one because I was so excited that I just ripped it open, you get a clear jelly stamper for your first box, which I think is really neat of them to do. So okay, so you receive instructions, how to use it, and every month on their site they also show a little sneak peek of what you could be getting for that month too, which I think is pretty neat. Okay, so we got some gummies, which I have tried these gummies. They are really, really, really good. And then let's see here. This is a stamping guide. Okay. Here is the plates. These are exclusive plates. You only get these for that month that you're subscribed to. This one does not want to come out. There we go. Oh, that's upside down. So that's what that one looks like. I love the cactuses. Love the cactuses. I can't get it back in. Okay. And then this one. Look at that. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, I love that one. That looks like that'll be really interesting to use, and that one too. This one's really cute too. Okay. And then what is this? Mini sticky stamper station. Ooh, that is a tongue twister. Okay, I think this is to clean your stamper, because these are all stickers, and maybe also to practice. That's pretty cool. And then here is, you always get 2 exclusive polishes, stamping polishes. Or not exclusive, I think you can buy these individually, but you always get 2 polishes to go with your kit. Assuming that I can get it open. There we go. Something I like about this company is they have this little black and white sticker on the top where it says swatch me. That way you can see what this stamping polish looks like on black and white. So these are the colors that we got for this month. It's really pretty. Called Gold Rush and Indigo. So this is the kit for this month. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you look forward to the next one, and I'll see you next time. Bye!